Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So today this video is all dedicated to Nykaa Land. To Nykaa Land I went on 7th November. That was the first day of Nykaa Land. It was really amazing. There were so many brands and I was just awed looking all of the brands. Also मुझे कुछ brands के नाम भी नहीं पता थे, मुझे उधर जाके पता चले हैं. ठीक है, there are so many Korean brands, foreign brands, Italian brands, so all of these things. In this video, I'll be showing you what all free samples or freebies I got from Nykaa Land. I got so many things from Nykaa Land and all these are freebies, the free samples. There are so many full size things too. I'll show you one by one. In bags के अंदर भी बहुत चीज़ें हैं. Bags के अंदर भी bags है. So yeah, I'll show you one by one, okay? First brand I had been to was Wishcare. So basically Wishcare ने मुझे बुलाया था, right? And they invited me. So there was an event which was for scalp checkup, right? So they told me that what all things are important for my hair growth and all. So that's the thing. They gave me a report also, and उन्होंने मुझे ये दो स्टिकर्स का वो दिया पेज एंड they gave me this multi-peptide anti-hair fall shampoo as a freebie. Alright, so this was from Wishcare. Then coming on to Minimalist, I first of all got this bag there, this tote bag. They had so many cute tote bags, bro, every brand. So I got this Minimalist cleansing oil. I got this full-size Minimalist cleansing oil. The Soulflower, if you heard, right? So I got this rosemary water with mint. So this is basically for hair growth. So I got this one from Soulflower. I got two things from this brand called Yunkang Yul. I don't even know how to pronounce this. So I got this toner from them and this moisturizer, calming moisture barrier cream from them. I've not even opened this one. So yes, these two I got from them. Okay, there was a brand, this Lumineve, right? So they also tested my skin for hydration or like what is my hydration level. So they gave me this, and this is very cute packaging. If you can see, guys, this is kind of bed kind of a thing. So basically this bed, this quilt is there, the pillows are there. So they gave me Midnight Youth Perfecting Serum. So this is a serum, right? And this is a Lunar Sleep Mist. The packaging is really nice. Next comes L'Occitane. I love this brand, man. Their hand creams are really nice if you want to use them. So what I got from L'Occitane was this sample L'Occitane hand cream. I got this from L'Occitane. Then next brand, इसमें बहुत सारे, इस बैग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें भरी हुई हैं. Must be heard about Kylie Cosmetics. So there is this sample perfume which I got from there, right? I got some I got many sample perfumes. So this sample perfumes from Nykaa Wanderlust. So I got these two from them. Then I got this Lancome perfume, and also I got something else from Lancome too. Yeah, I got these two samples of serum, these two sachets of serum, and this. I also got these two serum samples from L'Occitane, right? So I got these two of them. So these are the sachets which they gave. There was a brand, you must have heard, Good Girl Bad Boy. Alright, so these are two sample perfumes of them. This is Good Girl and this is Bad Boy. These are really nice. Okay, I went to this Iconic. I won a game. So they gave me this mug, right? This hairband and this bag. See how cute is this? So I got these 3 things from Iconic. Okay, so this Korean brand is there which gave me 2 samples of their products. So this was also really nice. These are the serums. Alright, now comes this big bag. Let's go to this Dream Beauty. Beauty gave me this, right? And there were samples of 3 blushes. They gave me 3 samples of their 3 shades of blushes. First one is Lagoon Pink, then Carina Crimson and Helix Berry. So these are the 3 samples of their blush from a brand called Love TC. I got this cute bag. Bath and Body Works. So I again won a game in Bath and Body Works, and they gave me this full size body mist which is in the fragrance of butterfly. So they gave me this one. There's this brand Anwa, and they gave me this whole size cleansing oil. So this is Anwa Skincare, and I got this whole full size cleansing oil from them. Then comes this Cetaphil. So Cetaphil gave me 2 things, right? First is cleanser, and they gave me this sample size of lotion. So these 2 things are from Cetaphil. So L'Oreal gave me this shampoo sample, alright, and one is Absolute Repair Molecular. This is a professional mask for hair. So these 2 things are from L'Oreal. I got the serum 7-in-1 serum I got from Olay. And also guys, this is customized. So this is the serum and this is my name, if you can see. They wrote my name on the serum, and the serum is really nice. So I got this toner from Tony Moly. This is also nice. I used it too. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. This is Titir. I don't know exact pronunciation. They gave me this tote bag. This is really cool. And they gave me this lip balm keyring. If you've seen this, mini lip balm keyring is there. Also, they gave me a tint, Waterism Glow Tint. This really works, guys. And they gave me these 3 cushions, the foundation cushions. So they gave me these 3 samples of them. Then I had gone to Round Lab. Round Lab gave me these 2 hand bands and one this, जो phone के पीछे लगाते हैं to stand it or something to hold it. So they gave me these 3 things. Okay, I got this also. So I went to Dr. Althea. I got this hand mask, and there are 2 sachets. Where are they? Yeah, 2 relief cream sachets. I got these from Dr. Althea. Finally, it's Dalba time. I got this whole regime. So this is White Truffle Nourishing Treatment Mask. There are 5 of them in this. Then I got this full-sized first spray serum. This is really nice. I'll create a video separately for this Dalba, right? I got this. Then I got this sunscreen from Dalba. And last but not the least, this is double serum all-in-one multi balm. So I got these 4 things from Dalba. Oh my god, from Dalba. All the brands in Nykaa Land. So I got these things from Nykaa Land, and I really want to know if you've been there. Agar aap gaye the Nykaa Land, so what all you got. And yes, so this is it for the video. Do like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Alright, so see you in the next one. Thank you, bye bye.